I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be replacing the headlight bulb in my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tourer. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is remove my fairing or bat wing, and to do that, there's a lever you gotta pull down here, lift this up. Same thing over here. Push it down, lift this up, and then I should be able to tilt this forward and then lift up. I'm going to move that out of the way so I don't step on it. Next, I'm going to be taking these 4 screws out. These are 4mm. Loosen them up. This cover. There's a bushing in here too, if I remember correctly. Okay, there is a metal bushing in there on each side. Just remember the black button here, bolts go on the bottom. Now let's see if this comes off. There we go. All this. Okay, to get this out, I'm going to pull this whole rubber piece off. Sit down there. And then there's just a metal clip. Push down. Get out of the way. Lift this up. And the whole ball will come out. I'm gonna go get a replacement bulb and then I'll be back to install it. I'm replacing it with this LED bulb by Daywalker. Got this off Amazon. Part number is X0024F6J06. About 20 bucks. Okay, looks like we're going to go in one way. There we go. Lock that in place. Of course, it's going to be fun to slide in underneath there, isn't it? I'll push that down in place. You see? And plug her back in. I have to tighten up the pins a little bit. It's kind of a loose fit. I'm trying to tighten this up a little bit. Tighter. That's good. ones go in the bottom. The bigger button head screws. There you go. They're all tight. Put this other cover on. Grommet right in the middle here. Don't lose these bushings. There you go. I'll put the bat wing back on, and that will sit right in here in the pivot, and then clamps will right here will lock down over top of it. Back on. Well, that'll do it for installing the replacement LED headlight in my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tour Edition. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.